welcome back to Brick Reviews UK. Today, as you can see, we've got another set on the table. This is one of the Technic's 42137 Formula E Porsche 99X electric. So it's one of the Formula E vehicles. As you can see, boxes rather tatty. I seem to be getting a couple of these lately, tatty boxes, but hey ho. It's a long since retired set. Came out in 1922, I believe. This one. It's also got the augmented reality experience on there. Don't really know what that is. It is a pullback, but with twin motors, I believe. So what we got on the back? Right. So got the QR code for the augmented reality. So scan the model, pull back, and launch. There's a launch system, which I believe is back here. You push that down once you've powered it up. So it sort of stores the power, which is pretty neat compared to the other one, which we tried the other day, where we just pulled it back and it just let go. And there's the original vehicle itself, which it's based on, from Formula E. I don't know what generation that particular one is. Right, there's more about the AR on the side of the box there. Right, let's get into this crushed box. No easy way for me to get into these boxes, it seems to be. So we're just going to rip it open. So just bear with me. Right. And pour it out and see what we got in there. And first of all, you can see some stickers. Right, we got bag one, and bag two, and a couple more bag one and twos there. Okay, so move them to the side. What else we got? Twin motors. Right, okay. Well, pull back motors, should I say. And what we've got here? Ah, lovely. Sticker sheet. Plenty of stickers. Okay, fair enough. Right, book itself. It's generic book. It's one of the matte ones. So it tells you here, obviously, bag ones, or the two bag ones. Well, that build you that, and your two bag twos will build you up to that. Okay. And looks like you do the motors quite early on. Right, how many steps we got? 131 steps. There tells you about the augmented reality experience there. There's the real one versus the Lego one. Don't really know why they do that. Maybe it's just to show you what this actually meant to look like, because people only criticise it and say, well, it doesn't look a bit like that, but hey ho. Right, parts list, and that's really about it. Yeah, there's not much else I can say about that. Yeah, nothing else about the actual Porsche Formula E car. But what we'll do, we'll get on and build it and get back to you once it's all done. Right, bye bye for now. Right, welcome back. Build all done of the Formula E Porsche 99X. Quite a nice build, I must admit. Again, as I said before, but the other smaller one hurts your fingers a bit, and it does me anyway. Loads of stickers on it, loads of stickers. You saw the sticker sheet anyway before I built it. But yeah, that's a nice set. Obviously bigger than the other one, so much more detailed, which was good. Right, onto the actual car itself. Obviously just a rendition of the actual car. I think I will just show you in the book the actual one. There's the actual one. there, and obviously this is the Lego rendition of it. The only thing I can't get to work, which is probably the most important bit, is the pullback functions. So obviously you pull it back and basically it stores it up, and you pull this little lever at the back. And I pull the lever at the back and it goes a little way, so it meant to pull it down and then fly off. But obviously if I just press it and hold it, that works. As you can see, I don't know what I've done to it. It's obviously something in the build which I have done wrong. It is quite right near the start of the build. So it'll be a lot of work. To be honest, I am not going to be using it much for that playability myself. So I think we'll just leave it as is, so to speak. But hey ho, I want to demonstrate it. But we do have another vehicle coming up soon, which I don't know if it's a twin motor one. I haven't unboxed it yet. But if it is, we can obviously demonstrate with that one. Well, hopefully anyway. Right, that's about it for this one. Like, comment, subscribe, you know the jazz. Bye bye for now.